Papanoorin natin ang her story video ni Iliana Maria Aduana from Siniloan, Laguna in partnership with Jelai for Miss Universe Philippines 2025.
Who am I guess we could start from the beginning.
A big question.
When I was a baby, my parents thought I couldn't hear or speak until I turned 3 years old when I finally learned how to express. These doors were my shield to which I would hide behind from because I used to be so scared of people. Now, the people are my driving force and the source of my strength and hope in this lifetime. And the reason why I am here.
Nice.
Experiencing the local colors of all 17 regions of the Philippines allowed me to discover inspiring strengths, skills, and stories that empowered me. At the same time, grounded me. All of these experiences honed me to be an effectual spokesperson and leader and instilled a responsibility in me to spark change and make an impact. But I am not perfect. Beneath the strong persona is also a human that breaks down, cries, and gets tired. But at my lowest points is also when I realize I am more than what I define myself to be. Because I am a representation of all the Filipinos I have met. Now who am I? I am Iliana Maria Aduana, a universal Filipina with an unconditional purpose. And I am you.
Oh my gosh, that's so touching, diba? Yung I am you. It's a big word na parang kumbaga, she represents all of us. Gusto ko yung kanyang advocacy that focuses on education. As we all know, whether we accept it or not, yung level of education talaga sa Philippines, it's not that good. I love that she was able to highlight that. Yung pagiging good speaker niya pala, there's a history behind that. Na, kumbaga, hindi yun naging hadlang para mag-push forward siya, para mag-flourish siya into a woman that she is right now. So, sobrang kahanga-hanga yun, and we just wish you a good luck to the preliminaries and the finals.